Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
ఈనాటి మెసెంజర్స్ దేనిని జగత్తుకు అందిస్తున్నారు?
What is the message passed on by the messengers today?
కానీ కొంతమంది మాత్రము భగవత్ యొక్క సందేశాన్ని జగత్తునకు చాటుతున్నారు.
Yes, there are some messengers who are passing on the message of God.
అధిక భాగము లౌకికమైన, భౌతికమైన, అనిత్యమైన, అశాశ్వతమైనటువంటి యొక్క లోక సంబంధమైనటువంటి యొక్క విషయములను ప్రపంచమునకు చాటుతున్నారు.
But many of them are propagating the worldly, temporal, worldly matters.
భగవంతుని చేత ప్రేమింపబడినటువంటి వాడైతే ఈ విధమైనటువంటి యొక్క దుర్మార్గమైనటువంటి మార్గంలో ప్రవేశించడు.
In fact, if he is loved by God, he will never proceed along that wicked path.
భగవంతుని యొక్క ప్రేమను అందుకున్నటువంటి యొక్క మానవుడు భగవత్ ప్రేమతత్వాన్ని మాత్రమే జగత్తునకు చాటాలి.
Having been the recipient of the divine love, he should share with the fellow men this love alone.
దీనిని జీసస్ కళాతూరి తన ప్రాణమును వదిలే సమయం లోపల ఆల్ ఆర్ వన్ మై డియర్ సన్ బీ అలైక్ టు ఎవరీ వన్ అన్నాడు.
As Jesus was on the cross living the life, he finally declared, all are one, my dear son, be alike to
దేహ
everyone.
సంబంధమైనటువంటి యొక్క భావమును ఉంచుకొని దేహాభిమానంతో జీవించడానికి నీవు పూనుకోనవద్దు.
Never attempt to have the body identification.
गौरी नंदन बालगजानन गौरी नंदन बालगजानन गजवदना गणनाथ गजानन गजवदना गजानन गणपते पाहि गजानन गजानन पाहि गजानन गजानन पाहि गजानन गजानन पाहि गजानन गजानन पाहि गजानन गौरी नंदन बाल गजानन।
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
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 सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु 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 भी तुम हो
राम रहीम हो कृष्ण करीम 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 हो
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
साई ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेशा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
अल्लाह भी तुम हो मौला भी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु भी तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर यीशु भी तुम हो
राम रहीम हो कृष्ण करीम 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 हो
श्री गुरु प्रतिवासा परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा
परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा
परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा
परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा
दया करो हरिनारायणा
दया करो हरिनारायणा
दया करो हरिनारायणा
दया करो हरिनारायणा
श्री साई नारायणा साई दया करो हरि नारायण, श्री साई नारायण साई, श्री साई नारायण, परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा, दया करो हरि नारायण, श्री साई नारायण साई, भवसागरोद्धार भुवनावना, शरणागत त्राण नारायण, दया करो हरि नारायण, श्री साई नारायण साई, श्री साई नारायण, परतीश्वरा सत्य साईश्वरा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
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 अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा 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 बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा,
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 साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा,
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा,
साई रामा पावन पुरुष साई रामा
प्रतिपुरुष साई रामा पावन पुरुष साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
चित्त चोरा राधा जीवना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
मेघ श्यामा मधुसूदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
राधा कांताय नंदना
कृष्ण कृष्ण मन मोहना पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
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 सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
Hearing the praise of God when you arise, and in the night time, hear the praise of God. Hear the praise of God when you arise, hear the praise of God when you arise, and in the night time, hear the praise of God. Hear the praise of God when you
When God incarnates on earth, when He assumes a physical form, they say two things happen, amongst many other things. One, we get to not only see but also experience God's love. The second, because we have been touched by His love, God gets to experience our love for Him. And the story that comes to my mind when I heard Angelica's song, because there's a sentence that says, we are crying out, humanity is crying out to you, can you not hear us? So this incident happened in late 70s or early 80s in Bangalore. There was a young mother and she had twin boys. And it so happened that, India is used to interesting political situations, and they had a curfew going on, and these twin boys were very young, and the mother had run out of food for the babies. She had run out of the formula. So there was no way she could feed these young babies, and she was very desperate. And her husband was very particular that they would not go out to the black market and try to get food for these babies. because he felt like that was not something Swami would approve, to go and bribe somebody and procure food for the children. And he said, well, these are Swami's children, so Swami is supposed to protect them. Swami is supposed to provide food for them. And the mother got very frustrated, and she felt like, I'm sure some of you might have felt, oh, these men are always like this, straight as an arrow. They don't understand. These children don't have food and they have to be fed. So she went straight to the altar room. She sat down in front of Swami and she gave Swami a piece of her mind. And she said, I am sure you're standing in the veranda and spending all your time with the students, happily chatting away with them, and here my children, pardon me, your children don't have food. What are you going to do? What kind of a God are you? And she cried her heart out. So the husband felt a little bit guilty, and he was like, well, let me at least try. So he goes across town to a place that he heard was still open and was selling formula. And he makes a trek out there, and by the time he gets to the other side of the town, the last carton of milk powder was sold. So he was returning home empty-handed, and as he was coming back, he was feeling very distraught. He was like, number one, he didn't want to face his wife again. Number two, his children don't have food at all. So he was in a scooter and he was by a traffic light. And as he was waiting there, because the signal had been red, there was an auto rickshaw, the three-wheeler auto rickshaw, pulled up by the side. And the old man from the auto rickshaw kind of tries to get his attention. And the father is ignoring him, but somehow the old man from the auto rickshaw gets his attention, and he shows a piece of paper and he says, do you know where this address is? And so by the time the light had changed, so the cop was yelling at them and they had to move, so they crossed the intersection and they pulled over to a side, and then he reads the address on the paper, and it turns out that it is his address. And he's all curious and he says, this is my name and this is my address. Can you please tell me why you're going there, because I don't recognize you. So the old man says, well, I have a parcel for you. I was supposed to deliver it, and I'm so happy I met you on the way. So here you go. This is yours, and please sign your name here. And he signed his name on a piece of paper, and the old man left, and he had this huge carton that he was trying to balance on the back of his scooter, and he goes home. Goes inside, and then he asks his wife, were you expecting a parcel? Did somebody call and say that they were going to be sending something? And the wife says, no, I'm not expecting anything. I don't think my parents said that they were going to send anything for us, but what is it inside the box? Did you check it? And the father says, no, I haven't checked it yet. And then they unwrap the box, and there's this huge carton, and it's filled with milk cartons. Food for the baby. And the mother is just shocked. The father is also shocked. Here, this morning, a few hours ago, they were complaining. She was yelling at Swami. She was feeling so bad that, her children didn't have any food. And a few hours later, there was this huge carton filled with food for the babies. Time goes by. The mother goes to Puttaparthi with her children. She's sitting in darshan line, and Swami comes for darshan, and the mother is very happy. She has a very good darshan of Swami. Swami walks past her and just stops after he crosses her, turns around, looks at her and says, did you get food for the baby? And then it hit the mother, oh my gosh, I didn't even remember to thank Swami. And then it turns out that the family was called inside for the interview. So when they were called inside for the interview, the mother has an opportunity to thank Swami. And this is the message that I wanted to share with you. You know, Swami said to the mother, you were sitting there in the altar room complaining, saying that, you know, I must most probably be chatting away. With the students, I might not be able to hear your prayers coming back to the bhajan. I might not be able to hear your prayers because I'm so focused on the students. But let me tell you something. I can hear even the footsteps of an ant. I can hear even the footsteps of an ant. So when you sing Sai Ram Bhagwan, you know, Swami is saying, even an ant, and I shouldn't be saying even an ant. Ant has a lot of lessons, a lot of messages for us. But even an ant that we cannot hear, God can hear even the footsteps of an ant. Will He not hear your prayers? Of course He will. Sai Ram.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शिव जना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपगान ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं पर्यन्तरु नीवे स्वामी पर्यन्तरु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ काव्ये जय ओम जय जगदीश हरे साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलारति मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण 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 ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।